Good morning, children. Today is Tuesday. Today is 21 July 2020. Phonic song of letter V. Wa. Violent volcanoes. Repeat after me. Violent volcanoes, wah wah wah. Violent volcanoes, wah wah wah. Violent volcanoes, wah wah wah. Wah is the sound of V. Repeat once again. Violent volcanoes, wah wah wah. Violent volcanoes, wah wah wah. Violent volcanoes, wah wah wah. Wah is the sound of V. Children, practice phonic song from letter A to letter V. Children, from today you will be learning new theme, that is my family. Can you see the picture here? My family. Mother, father, sister, brother, baby, grandmother, grandfather. This is family. My family. Children, can you see this? Today your activity is you have to draw outline of your hand and draw like this. Okay? Father, mother, brother, sister, baby. My family. Now let's learn a rhyme. This is father good and kind. This is mother with gentle mind. This is brother grown so tall. This is sister always with a doll. This is baby still to grow. That is the whole family standing in a row. Now we will repeat the same rhyme with the activity you have done. Okay? Now please look here. This is father good and kind. This is mother with gentle mind. This is brother grown so tall. This is sister always with a doll. This is baby still to grow. That is whole family standing in a row. Okay, children, please do your activity like this and practice the rhyme. Next, take your general awareness book, book number 4. Open page number 25. My family tree. Paste or draw pictures of members of your family in the family tree. Children, can you see here? You have to paste your pictures here. Okay? Here grandparents. Here your father picture. Your mother's picture. Here you have to paste your picture. Here your brother or sister. Please complete this page by pasting the pictures. Next, take your literacy skills book, book number 1. Open page number 32. Picture reading. Children, can you see few pictures here? These are vowel A pictures. Okay? In middle, you can see middle letter is A for all the words here. So today I will show you how to match and identify and how to write the word. Now please tell me, what is this? B. Very good. A. G. Bag. B. A. G. Bag. Now with your phonic sound, B. A. G. bag. B-A-G, bag. Now please check in the pictures, where is bag? Where is bag? Here. Very good. Now please match. Yes, bag. Okay. Now read second word. What is this letter? R. A. T. Rat with your phonic sound. R. A. T. Rat. R. A. T. Rat. Now in pictures, come on, identify rat. Very good. This is rat. So match. Now next word. K-A-T. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Now identify cat. Very good. You have to match to cat. Now next word. What is this letter? M. Sound of M. 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 A. T. Mat. M. A. T. Mat. M. A. T. Mat. Now from the pictures, please identify mat. Yes, very good. Match to mat. Now next word. K-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. K-A-N. Can. Identify can from the pictures. Yes, very good. Match to can. Now next word. M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. From the pictures, please identify man. Yes, very good. Come on. Match to the word. Now next picture. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. Now identify van picture. Yes. Now B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Now identify bat picture. Yes, this is bat. So match to the word. This is how you have to practice reading your 3-letter words. First identify the letters, then sounds, and blend it together, and you have to identify the picture and you have to match. After doing this matching, you have to write the word here. Now identify the picture. Rat. Yes. R. A. T. Rat. K. A. T. Cat. M. A. N. man. K, a, n, can. V, a, n, van. B, a, g, bag. M, a, t, mat. B, a, t, bat. So practice the A letter words. Next, take your second book of phonics, book number 2. Page number 12 is your homework. Here you have to identify the picture and you have to write the first letter here. Okay? Underwear, umbrella, up. The beginning sound here is umbrella, up, so it is U. The same way, here you have to identify was, violin, van, v, yes, v. Now what is this? Xmas tree. Very good. Xmas tree. X-ray. What is the first letter you are pronouncing? X. So you have to write here X. Now what is this? Yatch, yarn, yak. Please write here wire. Now here zigzag, zebra, zoo, z, z. Now coming to next page, page number 13. Please read the words loud. Ending sounds. Here you can see ending sounds. Last letter is ending. Okay. This is beginning, middle, ending. In a 3-letter word, this is beginning, middle, ending. So please read the words and you have to identify the ending letter sound. Next, take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Open page number 27. Today our concept is zero. Zero means nothing. Zero means what? You don't have anything, then you say I have zero. Okay, I don't have anything means you should say zero. Here you can see a girl is holding balloons. How many? 1, 2, 3. So we can write 3 balloons. The girl is having 3 balloons. But here if you see, now there are no balloons. No balloons in her hand. Then what you say? 0 balloons. Okay. Now next one you see what happened here? In a plate there are 2 eggs. How many? 1, 2. There are 2 eggs. What happened now? The boy ate 2 eggs. Then how many eggs are here? Nothing. No eggs in the plate. Then you say 0 eggs. There is nothing in the plate you can see here. Then you say 0 eggs. Now here you see this is a road and on road you can see 2 vehicles. Okay, 1 and 2. How many? 2 vehicles. Now if you see this picture on road, can you see any vehicles? No. Very good. Now what you should say? 0 vehicles. 0 vehicles. Next, open page number 28. You have to do this. Okay, 0. You have to circle the pictures that show 0 objects. Now here you can see aquarium. Yes. Can you see any fish in the aquarium? No, nothing you can see here. Nothing means what? Zero. Very good. So you have to circle the picture that shows zero objects. Here you can see fish, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This aquarium is having how many fishes? 4. Can you see any fish here? No. So you have to circle it because it don't have any objects here. Nothing you can see here. Now this is bus stop. You can see people standing here. Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 people standing in bus stop. But can you see anyone here? No, means 0. So you have to circle this bus stop. Now you can see here sweet box. Okay, this box is having sweet. You can see something is in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are some objects in this box. You can count them. Yes, but here can you see anything in the box? No, nothing. 0 objects here. 0 sweet. So you will circle. Now coming to the next one. Here you can see flower vase. In this vase we can see flowers here. Can you see any flowers here? No, 0 flowers here. So you will circle this picture. Children, hope you understood what is 0. 0 means having nothing. If you don't find anything, you say it is 0. Next, take your notebook and write numbers from 1 to 30. Don't forget to write like this, tens and ones. Okay? Write tens and ones and please write numbers from 1 to 30. Children, don't forget to do this family activity. I would like to see pictures from your side. Please draw outline of your hand and draw the pictures like this of your family members and send me the picture. Children, next take your Hindi textbook. Today you will learn E. Letter E. Here you can see how you have to trace letter E. You can see the numbering here. First standing line, then come down with a left curve, right curve, and then come down slant, a sleeping line up. This is how you have to write letter E. E. E से इमली. Repeat. E से इमली. E से इमारत. E से इमारत. E से इत्र. E से इत्र. E से इडली. E से इडली. Please practice reading words with letter E. Next, take your broad rule book and write E. Okay, bye children for today. Take care.